Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can remove payment method on DoorDash. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. It's a very easy process. I'm going to show it to you two ways because you might be a mobile app user or a desktop user. So once you go to this any of the option, I'm going to show you the category. So for mobile app users, all you need to do is have your DoorDash app and make sure it's updated one. Simply open up your app up and tap the icon located on top right corner, which will show you the payment method. As for example, it's over here. You can simply go ahead, check this clip out as well for you, so you can locate to payment method. Now, under saved payment methods, simply have to go to the payment method that you would like to remove and slide, and then until there is an option of removed, go ahead, tap on the removed option and reconfirm it, and your card will be removed. That's all it takes. And if you want to re-add, you can go ahead add a new card for yourself. Now if you're a desktop user, you have to simply log into your DoorDash website, which you can access by typing on doordash.com, and go to the menu icon and click payment simply. Now you will go to the save payment methods, and again you will find payment methods and you will find the remove icon beside it. Go ahead, tap on it to reconfirm it, and you're good to go. Again, there will be a little clip over here to help you out, and that's all you need to do. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.